Okay, Yamaha Ténéré headlight guard installation. You will need an 11mm spanner, a 4mm Allen key, a 3mm Allen key, and optional Loctite 243. First you want to remove the 4 screws around the headlight. Keep hold of the plastic washers because we'll use them in a minute. Right, it doesn't really matter whether you put the brackets on first or these things on the grill, it doesn't matter, but we're going to do it with the little doodahs on the grill. So you get your short 12mm bolt and a washer, pop through there. This is where you can possibly use Loctite at the end, but leave it loose for now to just so you get the position right. Okay, so you have 4 of those on there, a little bit of play there so you can, any final adjustments that you need to do once you get the other piece on. So now we get the mounting brackets, the little rubber plugs, and they go through the holes, the big holes, like this. No lube needed, not for this anyway. And the other one. Okay, so this is left looking at the bike and right. So we'll do the left one. You get your long bolt washer through there and a spacer, and I use the original plastic washer to prevent damage to the screen. And the other one. Get back on there, thank you. Just pop that there for now. The other one. So you get your left side bracket, mount it in the original screen holder holes. You don't want to do any of these up too tight because I'm sure these plastic pieces from Yamaha will cost a small fortune. Okay, that's the one side. Now the other one. Don't crank everything up too tight, so it gives you a bit of play when you now attach the guard. So this is quite simple. The little bulbous end goes in the rubber hole, rubber grommet, doodah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're happy where everything is, you get your 11mm spanner. There is a slot here. There we go. And pop. Doesn't give you a lot of room actually. Once you're happy with the position, you can put Loctite on these and then do them again, and then finally tighten up all of them, and then you have quite a snazzy headlight guard. And if you want to know where I got it from, just send a message and I'll let you know. Thank you for watching.